Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Soccer Nintendo Switch Sports. Start by calibrating your Joy-Con and selecting Soccer from the menu. Practice basic kicks, passes, and goalkeeper throws in training mode to build confidence. Learn to time swings and adjust distance with gentle motions. Focus on aiming using the reticle and communicating with teammates if playing online or locally for better coordination and more wins. Mastering controls makes big differences in matches, so start simple and refine technique gradually. Use controlled swings for passes and stronger motions for power shots, while adjusting wrist angle for curl. Practice goalkeeper timing and quick throws to prevent easy goals. Try different shot heights and directions to find what the game registers best. Consistent practice in training mode helps translate these motions into reliable in-match performance and confidence. If you're enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated with a secure lid and great grip, perfect between matches or during practice breaks. It fits cup holders and is easy to sip while concentrating on gameplay. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Good positioning often beats raw skill, so keep spacing and anticipate opponents' moves. Rotate roles between offense and defense to maintain balance and exploit gaps. Communicate with teammates or use quick signals in local play to coordinate attacks. Practice passing patterns and 1-2s to break defenses, and vary shot timing to avoid predictable plays. Defensive discipline and quick recoveries reduce easy chances for the other team and increase match control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.